It's easy to return a package with FedEx, and there are many different ways to do it. Let's start with your return label. Often the retailer will include a printed label in the package, or they might email you a printable version, or have one available to download from their site. Some retailers will provide a scannable code instead of a label. In these cases, go to FedEx.com and find the nearest location that accepts those codes. One of our team members will scan the code and label the package for you. If you've labeled the package yourself, you can drop it off at one of our 60,000 plus retail locations and contactless FedEx Dropbox locations. So whether you have a label or a code, have your own box, or need help with packing, we've got a convenient solution for your returns. And if you'd like to return a package on your own, we have cost-effective options for that too. If you have any questions, you can find out more at fedex.com/returns.